Hey everyone. So I will be explaining to you the business customs and the practices in Ethiopia. Here is their flag, and here's a picture of little kids with the culture. The hierarchy. So the social side of business is very important. Many companies are family owned and therefore extremely hierarchical. In most companies, the highest ranking person makes decisions. Although negotiations may be conducted with lower level staff, they are seldom granted full authority to make commitments for the company. And when negotiation with Ethiopian counterparts, ensure that you make every effort to build a positive relationship in advance, as this will certainly add your efforts. Um, I would say for Ethiopia, the main type of negotiation approach you would want to stay away from is a competitive, because in Ethiopia it's family oriented. You want to stay compromised, trying to get a win-win situation, and you want to have in your mind that the relationship is at the highest point of your negotiation strategy. So the government. The government in Ethiopia is a Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. The first multi-party election was carried out. This resulted in the first elected president, prime minister, parliament, and regional legislators. Today, the government functions under a federal parliamentary republic. So they work under a prime minister. They also have a president, but the prime minister is the one that handles all the things with the decision making. He has most of the power, more than the president. But yes, they work under a prime minister. The etiquette greetings. So in Ethiopia, it is rude to rush through a greeting or pass by someone without acknowledging them even briefly. Greet the eldest people first out of respect. In Ethiopia, just being older, respecting the elders is very important in their culture. So that's the main part. And they're also, like with the business side, they're family oriented, so the elders are highly respected. And then it's common to shake hands to greet strangers using the right hand or both hands. Make eye contact during a handshake. However, this should be the only assertive aspect of the interaction. People generally hold one another's hand quite lightly. So don't go in like an American, shaking hard the hand, but going gracefully, shake it with respect. Ethiopians highly regard this as part of their culture. And yeah, goes with, so the greeting has a lot to do with just respect and doing things the right way with older people in general. The etiquette do's and don'ts. Make sure you spend your time getting to know an Ethiopian before talking about a serious matter of business. This generally makes people feel more comfortable. It can seem impersonal to discuss the topic without asking the person's questions. Try to refer to the Ethiopian nation, nationality, or culture, especially when possible, rather than African. It is appreciated when foreigners recognize Ethiopia as culturally distinct from the rest of Africa. However, it is best not to inquire a person's private life, relationships, parenting, unless they open up to you first. Innocent curiosity about certain family matters can make people feel uncomfortable, as there is quite a strong emphasis on people's public presentation in Ethiopia. So I would try to in Ethiopia, I would just make it, when you're going to Ethiopia, you have to know that it's very family oriented. Think about their families, think about respect. So you need to get to, in negotiations, you want to get to know the person, have a foundation of a relationship. Avoid asking too serious questions at the start. And also have respect for the Ethiopians in general, just to know that they are not just Africans, but they are Ethiopians, a different type of culture, and it's just respect. And that would be highly regarded for Ethiopians. And These are the cultural customs and the practices of Ethiopia.